Mommy Joy. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna share with you different kinds of transportation in Hanoi. You know, I'm using one of them. This is my motorbike. Okay, so when you are in Hanoi, don't be surprised to see that there's a lot of motorbikes because popular transportation in this country. Alright, so everybody's using it, from teenagers, mothers, career women, men, and even the rich people in Vietnam are using motorbike. They have their cars, alright? So yeah, the streets are really full. Ha? Ha? Wait a minute, ha? Asa? Naman, larga naman. Nice kay tanaw pati daghan na. Ha? Dagang kaayo. Oh. Lagi. Yes. Motorbike is one of the most popular mode of transportation in Hanoi, Vietnam. In Vietnam. Yes. Nakadaghan. Amazing. Labang na tatara. Sorry. Okay. So guys, when you come to Vietnam, don't be scared because you know it's in their system already that people will just cross the street and they drive slowly, so you don't need to worry. Yeah, you can enjoy riding motorbikes all around Hanoi, especially during autumn and spring, also winter. I've tried all the seasons here, and the best one for me is riding motorbike around the city of Hanoi in autumn. Alright, so guys, so the good thing about motorbike is that you can go anywhere from point to point. Alright, from point to point, and especially for teachers like us, especially for expats, and you have to go to different destinations when you're having a class. Sometimes we use Grab or taxi, but whenever you feel like going around, just chilling out, you can use the motorbike. It's recommended for you guys. So when you visit Hanoi, you can rent a bike anywhere. I have some people trusted people who can rent you a motorbike at a cheaper price. Alright, so yeah, of course you need to wear your helmet when you ride your motorbike here so that it will catch you. Alright, so I'm wearing one. Actually, I'm on my way to the park. Yeah, walking exercise or jog around the park. So yeah, I just want to show you that this is how it is in Vietnam. If you are keen on this thing, I think I hope this video is giving you enough information on what to do in Hanoi and how safe it is to ride a motorbike. Actually, for me, it's really safe because all you need to do is also be cautious and be careful. But so far, I'm enjoying my riding motorbike here in Hanoi. It can bring me anywhere I want to go, and then so all you need to do is drive slowly. drive slowly and honk when it's you know, you're when you're approaching intersections like that. And yeah, the best tip, guys, that I can give you is to be extra careful. Press your honk. Yeah, so if you can see, there are buses. All you need to do is take it slowly. All right, do not compete with the big bus, with the cars. Just slow down, take your time. That's one of my secret here, why I survived in my 5 years of riding motorbike in Hanoi. Alright, so guys, I've gotta go.